In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can use custom XML files to connect to Esko's dynamic tables or nutrition fact tables. Using the nutrition fact table plugin, we'll first create an GS1 standard table as an example. In step 2, we'll expand this table using the Illustrator expand feature, and then use the extract back in the dynamic tables to reconvert, so to speak, the content. Go ahead and activate the Save Extracted Nutritions to XML file to save the XML data. Let's go ahead and save this file as nutrition.xml. There you go. And here we have the reconstructed table. Now, just as a tip, in case you would forget to activate that save, you can always save the XML using the dynamic content plugin. Just go to the flyout menu and use the XML source, save XML as. Once we have this XML table, go ahead and open it in your favorite text editor. And in here, you will be able to identify all the different nutrition and all the different elements that make up this nutrition fact table. So you can see that they are enclosed between the artwork content copy element tag. I used an XML extractor using AI to extract these values into a separate file, which is cleaner to work with instead of editing these values in the original file. And here you can see the result of that. So this could be something part of a workflow where somebody needs to assign these values. I put some example values in there, and then of course we need to merge that back with the template, which again you can do using AI. And then in the last step, we start creating this table again, load our XML file in here, select the extracted table, and hit the insert button on the lower right hand corner to inject the values. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.